Hey everyone, it's storming outside, so I figured I would take a few minutes to make a little video. I don't know if anybody's ever bought one of these mystery tackle boxes or not, but I haven't had a ton of experience with them. For Father's Day, my wife decided to get me a subscription for I think a year. And so one cool thing is you can change your species each month if you want to. So I think the first month I had some walleye stuff. So this month is panfish. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do a little unboxing real quick, just so you guys can get a sneak peek if this is something that you might be interested in. I just figured I would go through here so you can see it firsthand. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got this month. So first thing here with this box, you can see it's just got a little measurement thing here, cool. And I'm just going to take some stuff out. Okay, some stuff here. Oh, there's a little price sheet that shows what everything that's inside and the cost of each of it, so kind of interesting. A little crossword puzzle. That's cute. Tips and tricks for panfish. So if I open that up, it's got some tips and stuff, so kind of interesting. Let's see. Roadrunners. Now, these are near and dear to my heart. I love Roadrunners. They're one of my go-to baits for panfish. Almost everything I use has a horse head jig with a spinner, so I'll probably use those, I'm sure. A little large, but 1/8 ounce, but that's okay. Let's see. Oh, a Statue of Liberty fish sticker. Okay. Scratch and Win. I'm not sure what that is. I'll have to check that out in a second here. Okay, we got some like nymph plastics. It's a mayfly. Huh. I haven't really ever seen these before. It says perfect for drop shot. I do quite a bit of drop shotting, usually for bass, and this is fairly good size, so I'll have to give that a shot and see how these do for drop shots. All right, I've got a little micro crankbait here in kind of a crawfish pattern, so not too shabby. We got another small bomber crankbait, which those are always good. Another good pattern there. Okay, some hooks. Doesn't hurt to have hooks. Not sure what this is. Looks like some sort of plastic worm. So, not super interesting, to be honest with you. And some snell hooks. So, there's just a quick unboxing of the panfish stuff. So, take it or leave it. That's just kind of give you a sneak peek as to what's in there. So, I hope you guys enjoyed.